Welcome to my apartment tour. Where you're standing right now is our entryway, which is a huge hallway, and I'm obsessed with it because we can literally put like a table right here and we'll have the space. The first door to your left or right, depending on which side you're standing, is our laundry room. There's supposed to be light right here. There we go. So we have, what do you call these? Is this like a stack?
They're just stacked up on top in
There you go,
one another.
stacked up. Washer and dryer. And then we have all the space here to either put like a little table here for like folding or like a hanger, I don't know, but there's space in here, or we can just use it for storage purposes. We went from having just a laundry closet to like a literal laundry room, which is great. Then here on the right side, we have our coat closet, which is very spacious. And again, there's more storage opportunities. It's huge. And to the left, we have our guest bathroom. You have lighting everywhere. There's all these drawers, and we have a tub. Lovely. And then this hallway, we're going to take you to the living room and to the rooms. So let's do the living room first. We have kitchen and living room all in one. I'm literally obsessed with this part of the house. Like, this is what sold me. This is it right here. Our leasing agent just got us this gift, which is so awesome. It's one of those, what do you call them, fans? The Ahhhh brand? I don't know.
Something like that.
What I'm most excited about is this fridge because it is humongous. It has literally storage everywhere. And I'm literally ecstatic. Like, I can't wait. It has its own ice maker, and I'm guessing like this side is just for like whatever you want to put in there. So yeah, nice one. Over here we have our pantry, and this is something that I never had. Like, first of all, coming from New York, you don't even get a dishwasher, let alone a pantry or a 3-door fridge. And I'm really excited to like just organize everything in here, put labels and clear glasses and things like that. Love it. And we have a bunch of shelves, which is a huge upgrade from our current apartment because our current apartment is huge, but the storage is not as good as here. Then we have our dishwasher, which Ricardo is the most excited about, because he's usually the one who does the dishes. Or did I say that? There's a bunch of storage. And this is our living room. Look at this space. This is literally the reason why I chose this unit, because they had better prices than the ones downstairs, but I get to see the sunset, the sunrise, the lighting in here. Like, picture this during summer, during sunrise. It's just going to, like, it's going to be unreal. And I cannot wait for that, like, seriously. Or, now during winter, when it's snowing, and we're able to just see every single roof just snowed in, like, obsessed, honestly. I'm going to show you the bedrooms, which is the last part of this. Through this hallway, you can come into what's going to be our office. So we are both going to share an office in this unit, which is going to be a lot different than the system that we have now. I have my own office, my own space, but I want the living room to be its own thing, and Ricardo and I will share this. So yeah, so this is going to be our little nook, our little corner for office. I'm most likely going to have my desk on this side, and Ricardo's going to have his on this side. So yeah, this is like the perfect space. This is my walk-in closet that I'm literally in love with. It literally a bed fits in here. That's how big this is. It's all around. And yeah, can't wait to just make it work. Have a little prayer corner, little prayer closet in there. And this is our master bedroom. I love, love, love the lighting in here. I cannot wait to just wake up to this. This is going to be so cozy. The lighting, first of all, it's going to be a little annoying sometimes, like for the weekend when we want to just sleep in. But on the regular, just waking up to the sunrise, love it. Yeah, so we'll have like our bed on this side, and then I'm going to put the TV on the other side. And then through this side, we have our ensuite. It's going to be Ricardo's closet. This is my bag that I just like literally just brought in because I came from the office. But anyways, this is Ricardo's walk-in closet. Obviously, this door is going to be closed like this. And so he's going to have this side and this side. And look at how big this space is. And then last but not least, we have our master bathroom. We have our master bathroom, double sink vanity. And this is the shower. I'm more of a shower person, so this is definitely going to be my bathroom. Not like Ricardo can use it, but you know what I mean. It's going to be more me. He's more of the tub guy, so the other one is going to be his sanctuary. And this is going to be all me. Cannot wait to just move in here and just organize all my things. On this side, I will also have a storage closet. So I don't know if we're going to have like our linens in here, or I'll just use it for like storage. I don't know, because we have a double sink vanity, so I have to still decide what goes where. But as of now, this is going to be the linen closet, unless I change my mind. But yeah, I'm so excited. The lighting everywhere in this apartment. I cannot wait to just like do my hair in here, which is a little static in the back. But yeah. So excited! And you guys, new year, new us. I just got proposed to. We're gonna do our engaged photo shoot here before we move everything. This is my life as a fiancé. And then I'll take you guys outside. Outside! So we have our intimate guy coming in right now to install the Wi-Fi. And I'm going to go grab a salad because I'm going back to the office. And yeah, you guys, this is our official house tour. What do you got to say to the camera?
I'm just a chill guy.
Is that it?
That's it.